Sure.
Instagram is still trying to figure out what to do with likes on a website, on a social media application. They were goofing around. They're like, what if we get rid of likes? Are people happier? Do people use the app more? They're like, okay, what if we just selectively get rid of likes? What's going to happen? Like, what if some people have likes and other people don't have likes? What if it's dynamic? They don't know what to do. But when they took away likes, people got mad. They're like, where's the likes? And then other people, I'm sure, enjoyed it. They're like, why is it so fresh around here? Why do I feel better than I normally do? What is this nice breeze coming in? It's like, because you weren't sitting there staring at your lack of likes. Whatever your like expectation was. Anyway, now they're taking it a step further. And I want you to tell me what you think about this, all right? The app will give users the ability to choose which likes they want to hide. They'll have the option to hide like counts from their own posts, so followers won't see them, or to hide like counts on posts from everyone else, effectively stripping the like counts out of the feed entirely. Users will also have the option to keep likes appearing normally, an option that could be a response to widespread criticism of the feature being turned off. Go ahead, Will. The floor is yours.
I would go with what they originally had. Just have everyone look at the likes.
Oh, all likes. Never mind turning them up. Not even an option to turn it up. What if a person is depressed? They're it's too much. They're constantly obsessing over these likes.
I guess for Instagram that wouldn't be good, but as a user, they just have to figure it out themselves. Yeah.
Oh my goodness gracious! You don't know what type of complaints company like Instagram, Facebook they see. They're getting the concerned parents. They're like, my kid it can't handle it, and they're really having a hard time with it. And the stories get worse, and I'm not going to go there.
Sure. Yeah.
And Instagram sitting there saying, well, isn't there anything we can do to try to make it a little bit more friendly around here or whatever? And I'm not saying that's right. Like we talk about the dislike button on YouTube, and we both agree like maybe you can diminish the importance of it, but you got to have it in some way.
Yeah. You can't put that in Instagram, right? A dislike button.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's too much.
If they're thinking already about hiding likes because they've seen some sort of an effect and an unsavory effect, they're definitely not thinking about introducing the dislike, which is even more major.
Yeah.
I think they got to go with some sort of a custom version of it. They can bury maybe the ability to turn it off somewhere in the settings, so a person who really just doesn't like to see it can do that, and then just have it on by default.
Yeah. Who knows? Maybe some people will use it. It's just I'm more about the discretion, like use your own discretion.
Right.
If you're using the app, just got to be careful.
Yeah, if it's
but
having
not everyone is like that.
If it's having a negative effect on your psyche, like probably better to put it down than
but
to
some
hide
people
the likes.
can't.
Well, and Instagram's not going to tell you to put it down.
Yeah.
Certainly not for too long. They want something other than putting it down. They're like, wait, how can we just make it? And look, they're leaning on these algorithms. They're going to try to feed you things that keep you there.
Sure.
And hopefully don't cause you distress long term, but is a complicated subject, obviously.
Yeah.